Hi, I'm Deepak Patania and welcome to another episode of The Art of Science. We make a lot of nice videos, so remember to subscribe to the channel. And remember to press the bell icon because then you'll never miss any video that we release. So I've been making science DIY experiments for more than 12 years now. First for television and then for online and then for my own channel The Art of Science. And now I can make almost anything with my hands. But at the same time I realized that then there are many people who are starting new. So instead of me making everything, what I thought that I should have some people working with me who are not model makers, who are science people, and they will make the experiments. So some of the experiments they will do themselves, and some of them, the innovation part and all that, I will still do it, but that I will do everything in the back end. They will be doing it on camera. So now the two people working with me are Anu.
Hi.
And Pooja.
Hi.
So today's video is very interesting because over time we have shown a lot of projects, a lot of DIY projects where we've shown the use of a glue gun. Now glue gun is good, but a lot of people may not buy a glue gun because maybe it's expensive. But at the same time, a glue stick that goes into the gun, which is the actual adhesive, is not very expensive. So today we are going to show you 3 ways of using a glue stick, and the last one is actually making a glue gun, and it's perhaps the easiest glue gun that you can make yourself. So let's get started.